Let us discuss on the job role of an assistant manufacturing and packaging, that is pharma, biologics and medical devices. Who is manufacturing and packaging assistant? Manufacturing and packaging assistant supports in manufacturing and packaging activities by performing a combination of tasks. The job holder also supports the team in maintaining a healthy, safe and secure working environment. Now, let us talk about the duties and responsibilities of manufacturing and packaging assistant. They inspect packages to determine if packaging meets customer specifications. They review preliminary production samples and provide feedback to vendors on improvements. They evaluate current packaging and create cost improvement strategies for both existing and new package designs. Now, you might think after completing this course in which industries you can work with. Let me answer to this question. After completing this course, you can enter into pharmaceutical industry, biotechnological industry, beverage industry, food processing industry, chemical industry, agriculture industry, and other allied industries as well. Now, let us discuss about advantages for choosing manufacturing and packaging assistant as your career. Choosing manufacturing and packaging assistant as your career comes with lots of advantages like flexibility. Assistant manufacturing and packaging have flexible working hours. They work in the morning or night shift. Self-development. The job consists of new challenges and initiatives to take in everyday working time, which leads to the self-development of an individual. Entry job. Manufacturing and packaging assistant can enter into any packaging department of pharma, nutraceutical, agriculture, food processing, life sciences, and other allied industries. Paycheck. They have huge number of jobs available in the market for which they are paid a good amount of salary. And the educational background you need to join this course will be 10th pass or a certificate of NSQF level 2 life sciences with 1 year of experience. Further, as a manufacturing and packaging assistant, a person will be expected to perform the following functions, that is, to perform support operations for production in adherence to good manufacturing practices guidelines, to perform the support functions for primary and secondary packaging of drugs in adherence to good manufacturing practices guidelines, to adherence to environment, health and safety guidelines in a production facility and GMP controlled areas, to ensure a hygienic and clean work area to avoid contaminations, to coordinate and communicate with supervisor, teams, and auditors. Now, let us discuss about the basic job skills required for manufacturing and packaging assistant. Manufacturing and packaging assistant should have good planning and organizing skills and should be well able to allocate the goods packaged in a proper manner. They should be troubleshooting individual and have a proper problem solving personality. They should have excellent analytical skills and should have critical thinking approach to be well able to adjust the good into trucks and saving transportation cost. They should be able to coordinate between the team and should have good communication skills. They should be able to make the good decision for an organization. They should have a proper knowledge of all the packaging material. Now, let's move to the possible career progression after completing the course. The next role in the career of manufacturing and packaging assistant in life sciences is production machine operator, API non-sterile drug and nutraceutical sterile drug Ayush sanitary napkin. Production chemist, life sciences, API, non-sterile formulation, sterile formulation, Ayush, sanitary napkin, production supervisor, junior chemist, API, chemical manufacturing, packaging, machine operator specialist, pharma, junior manager, pharma production, production process specialist, pharma, manager, pharma production, production process expert, pharma, section head pharma production, plant head pharma production, and unit head pharma production. Now, let us discuss about the working environment of manufacturing and packaging assistant. Manufacturing and packaging assistant works in a factory, store department, cold storage, laboratory, etc. The temperature is well maintained in the stores is according to the quality of the product to be stored. The store departments should be fully air conditioned, free from insects, and should be properly cleaned. They will get well-maintained laboratory with equipment present to carry the testing of packaging products. The factory should be large with proper lighting and the surface should be properly cleaned. Now, you have very well understood about the job role of assistant manufacturing and packaging, and you must probably have question in your mind, how will you enroll in this course? The first step is to visit LSSDC website, that is Life Sciences Sector Skill Development Council website. Then go to Affiliated Center tab. Identify a center near to your location for this course. Then reach out to coordinate for further details on the number given. You will get the details about the batch start date and about the fees.